Hi, I am Gaganpreet, student at Lexicon MILE. I am excited to share my experience of the design thinking workshop.
Hi, my name is Mayank Mishra. Currently, I'm pursuing PGDM from Lexicon MILE, specializing in marketing and HR. And this design thinking workshop has truly been a game changer for me.
Hi, I'm Tanushri Maishwari. Currently, I'm pursuing PGDM from Lexicon MILE. The design thinking workshop was an eye-opening experience. It completely transformed the way I approached my challenges.
Design thinking helps us to understand the problem solving in a new way. Here we learn how to identify the problem, then how to brainstorm it, and how to work collaboratively in a team.
What stood out to me about this workshop was that how interactive and practical it was. It wasn't just theory. We got to implement ideas and think innovatively, which was super exciting for all of us.
This experience has taught me how to approach problems with creativity and empathy, the skills which are so important in today's world.
Opportunities like this set Lexicon MILE apart, and I'm ready to apply the principles that I've learned from the design thinking workshop in the real world.
A big thank you to Lexicon MILE for giving us a platform where we can learn, grow, and think differently.
Thank you Lexicon MILE for organizing such a meaningful and insightful workshop.
Thank you Lexicon MILE for organizing such a meaningful and wonderful workshop.
Let's think big and achieve bigger.